pray to the Lord, but he ignores me. Unfortunate because I'm guilty. Show me a miracle, I'm hopeless. Choking off marijuana smoking, but every token's like I'm losing focus. Falling asleep while I'm in service, but when I die, forever paranoid, nervous because I'm high. Don't mention funerals, I'm stressing and going nutty, and reminisce about the niggas that murdered my buddy. I wonder when will I be happy? Ain't nothing funny. Flashbacks of busting cats, anything for money. Where am I going? I discovered. Can't nothing say, but my next door neighbors having combo with undercovers. Put a surprise in the mailbox.